I bought some baskets for my cupboard. These are like lions or something. And I bought 2 baskets, like the green ones. I bought them for my medical cupboard. I want to organize it better because it looks a little bit messy. And I bought 6 baskets of these. They don't fit like this, but they do fit like this. So I'm going to organize it and I will show you how it goes. I just put all the stuff from here. I put it over here, so I'm going to sort it out. I got my injection needles in here. I got the other stuff in there, but I don't use it every day. So I'm going to put it over there, over here. And I'm just going to put the medication and medical supplies I use daily, just putting on the top. And it will be nice organized. So I'm going to continue with that. Now I'm going to refill my injection needles in here because I got this empty. And I use on a daily basis extremely much of these injection needles. Each box contains 100 injection needles. So that's that. So I got everything organized. Down here I have my lancets and test strips and a basket with various things like my blood pressure device, some lung supplies. Here I have my trash for my injection needles, pens and that kind of things, and my inhaler device. Here I have my vitamins, other test strips, and some medications and oxygen bottle. Here on the top I have my daily things I use. My injection needles, bandage for putting on my arm for my sensor. I have here a pill case, my injection needles, my Freestyle Libre 2 sensors. I get my next delivery of this before the month of July, so end of June I get it. And here are my daily medications. So that's that. This is an overview. Well, it's finally finished. It took me a while to sort everything out. So I replaced my old baskets with this leopard baskets, and it looks nice. Here's my medical cupboard with the new baskets. So the cupboard is finally looking better again. I changed it yesterday with the rest of the cupboards. First I had it different styled, but now it's like this and I'm satisfied. Doesn't look so messy anymore as it used to.